Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can download MetaMask on your PC. So what you will have to do is first you will look for chromewebster.google.com, and now that you're here, you will basically just have to look for MetaMask. So just go ahead and look for it and then just click enter, and then you should see this right here. So it's on the top. So you will just have to click that, and then again, once you're here, you should see either download or add extension button here. So what you will have to do is basically just click that, whether you're using your Chrome, your Edge, or your Firefox web. So yeah, that's basically just it. And once it's installed, you will just have to click the MetaMask icon, and then you will click get started, and then you can either create or import your wallet. And of course, you will have to set your password and write recovery pray safely. And yeah, MetaMask is now installed and ready on your PC. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.